Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When selecting an investment platform, understanding the key features and services of Stash and Charles Schwab is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Stash and Charles Schwab offer a variety of account types to meet different investment needs. Stash provides individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and custodial accounts. Charles Schwab offers individual and joint brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and specialized accounts. Investment options. Understanding the range of investment options helps in evaluating each platform. Stash allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares, enabling users to invest in smaller amounts. Charles Schwab provides a comprehensive range of investment options, including stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and international stocks. Trading platforms. Both brokers offer trading platforms suited for different types of investors. Stash provides a simple, user-friendly mobile app designed for beginner investors, with educational content and personalized guidance. Charles Schwab offers multiple platforms, including Schwab.com for everyday investors and Street Smart Edge for advanced traders. Research and education. Both platforms provide extensive resources to help investors make informed decisions. Stash focuses on educating beginner investors with articles, videos, and personalized investment advice. Charles Schwab provides comprehensive research from providers like Morningstar, Credit Suisse, and Standard & Poor's. Customer service. Reliable customer support is vital for addressing any issues or questions. Stash offers customer support via email and in-app chat. Charles Schwab provides 24/7 customer service via phone, email, and live chat. Mobile experience. A robust mobile app is crucial for managing investments on the go. Stash, the mobile app, is highly rated for its simplicity and ease of use, offering features like fractional share investing, automated portfolios, and educational content. Charles Schwab. The Schwab mobile app provides comprehensive functionality, including trading, real-time quotes, research, and portfolio management. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new investors. Stash occasionally offers promotions such as cash bonuses for new accounts, referral bonuses, and stock-back rewards. Charles Schwab frequently provides cash bonuses for new accounts with qualifying deposits, commission-free trades for a limited period, and referral bonuses. Security and accessibility. Ensuring the security and accessibility of financial transactions is paramount. Stash employs robust security measures, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure login. Charles Schwab provides advanced security features, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and real-time fraud monitoring. Conclusion. Both Stash and Charles Schwab offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Stash is ideal for beginner investors seeking a simple, educational platform with low entry costs. Charles Schwab stands out with its extensive range of investment options, advanced trading tools, and robust customer support, making it suitable for investors at all levels. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.